Hello everyone and all my beautiful friends. I wanted to share with you a lovely ritual that I do to just help activate joy and gratitude, and just helps me be more joyful in my life so I can enjoy my day and just appreciate every moment. So I'm going to guide you through a ritual. I call it my body butter ritual. You can use my body butter, you can use any lotion or potion, any oil, anything you want to do, but this is going to be about putting on a lotion or a butter onto your body. So get your butter and then we'll start. Got it? Okay, here we go. Take 3 deep breaths and slowly affirm this intention for the day. I live in joy moment by moment today. 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 Now open your jar of body butter, whatever it is, and as you scoop it out, enjoy its luxurious texture in your hands. Rub your hands together to warm the butter and feel it permeating deep into your skin. Slowly inhale its beautiful fragrance. And now joyfully massage the sumptuous butter throughout your body, starting from your feet, upward with long, fluid, and loving strokes. Feel it moisturizing and nourishing your skin with healing, life, and joy. As you bask in the sensory delight of the body butter, or whatever you're using, experience your body feeling loved and appreciated by you. Let your body know with each stroke how much you love it. When you have completed applying the butter throughout your entire body, inhale a deep cleansing breath and experience your body, your heart, and mind and spirit filled with joy and delight. Okay, so let's close this ritual by again affirming this intention for your day. I live in joy moment to moment today. Thank you, everyone. Make it a joy-filled day. Love you.